Alright, today we're going to talk about order of operations. Alright, so let's get started. First, I'm going to use a phrase maybe that you've known before, but let's look at it. So PEMDAS is the word that we're going to look at before. Maybe you've seen this. Also, you might have heard, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. It kind of works like this. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Now let's talk about this for a minute. What does each of these letters mean in PEMDAS? Well, P stands for parentheses. Parentheses, alright? We can also call these grouping symbols. Grouping symbols. So we use more than just parentheses, but there's also others that we can use. So we'll call all of them grouping symbols. E stands for exponents. Exponents. Alright? M and D. M stands for multiplication. And D stands for division. And finally we have A and S. A stands for adding or addition. And S stands for subtraction. Alright, so these are all the different parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Now the reason I did M and D together is because once you get to multiplication and division, you go left to right. As soon as you hit addition, subtraction, you go left to right. So they're kind of in the same step. So you don't always follow multiplication first, division second. You have to go left to right. So let's do a few examples. So we need to solve and justify. The way that we justify is that we just show each step. So here we have 5 times x plus 4 times x plus 2. Well, if I would write out PEMDAS, alright, my first thing is parentheses. So I'm going to do 5 times x is 30 plus 4 times 6 plus 2 is 8. So now we've done parentheses. Do we have any exponents? We do not. Are we multiplying? We are multiplying or dividing right here. We're multiplying right here. So that would be 30 plus 32. So we've done the multiplication, done the division. Now we have adding, which gives me 62. Done the subtraction. Alright? And that would be my answer. And these steps here is the justification. Let's look at another problem. I need to compare. So that means, is it greater than, less than, or equal to? So I need to do PEMDAS. So let's just start there. PEMDAS. So parentheses. Let's work on this left one here first. That would give me 4.5 divided by 9 plus 3 cubed. I've done my parentheses. Now I have exponents. That would be 4.5 divided by 9 plus 9. Now I have multiplication division. Go left to right. 4.5 divided by 9 is actually 0.5. 4.5 is 1/2 of 9. If you weren't sure what that was, you could take 4.5 and divide it by 9. You can see it going 0 times 5. When I add it here, I get 9.5. So that's my answer over here. Now let's look at the other side. Now, one thing that we need to know is that some grouping symbols can be on top of fractions. If everything is on top of a fraction, they're all grouped together. So first thing I'm going to do is add that. That would be 26 divided by 2 minus 8 minus 4. 28 divided by 2 is 13 minus 8 minus 4. 13 minus 8 is 5 minus 4 is 1. So I would say that 9.5 is greater than, remember you want the open mouth facing the larger number, is greater than 1. And that would be my answer here. Alright, so that's all we've got. Those are the basics. I'm happy to answer any questions you have. See ya.